Conquer the waves with the FunWater SUPFW37B. YouTube script. Open on vibrant footage of someone effortlessly gliding on the FunWater SUP board, showcasing its features. Upbeat music. Host. Tired of boring weekends? Yearning for adventure? Then get ready to experience the ultimate water fun with the FunWater SUPFW37B. Quick cuts showcasing each feature: GoPro mount, vibrant UV print, stable paddling, anti-skid pad, bungee ropes, D-ring for seat. Host. Voiceover. This isn't just a paddleboard, it's your ticket to unforgettable summer memories. Imagine crystal clear waters, sun-kissed skin, and the thrill of gliding across the surface. The built-in GoPro mount lets you capture every epic moment, while the vibrant UV-resistant design ensures you'll stay stylish and sun-safe all day long. Show close-ups of the comfortable anti-skid pad and easy-to-use features. Host. Voiceover. 3 sliding fins provide incredible stability, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. The 3D carved EVA anti-skid pad guarantees comfort even during long paddling sessions, while the reinforced bungee ropes keep your gear secure. And with the included seat and D-ring, you can easily transform your SUP into a comfortable sit-on kayak. Show someone easily inflating the board and packing it away. Host. Voiceover. Lightweight, durable, and incredibly easy to inflate and deflate, the FunWater SUPFW37B is the perfect companion for any adventure. It comes complete with everything you need: paddle, seat, leash, waterproof bag, pump, and even a backpack for easy transport. Show a montage of happy people enjoying the board in various settings. Host. Don't miss out on the summer fun. This incredible offer won't last. For a limited time, we're offering a special discount. Click the link below to grab yours before they're gone. Host. Get your FunWater SUPFW37B today and unleash your inner adventurer. And screen with website link and social media handles.